All right, welcome to your science class. I want to show you guys a couple things about how we're going to do this online. First thing, I've kind of reorganized your Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you this in terms of a sixth grade classroom, but this applies to eighth and seventh grade as well. So I'm just going to post the same for all three grade levels. I used to just put the material in the announcements in the stream, but I want to try to keep it a little bit more organized since we're doing it all online now. So I'm going to be posting things in the classwork area, and I'm going to be organizing it by chapter. So right now in sixth grade, we're on chapter 3, sections 2 through 7, which is the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock sections. And so as you can see, I've posted the class notes and the book images, and I've labeled them with the sections. And this is what I'm going to do for all three grade levels. I'm going to be posting everything that you need for the chapter in this classwork area, and I'm going to have it organized by the chapter. This is also where you're going to find assignments that you have. If I'm having you fill in a Google Doc, you'll find it there. And I believe I can post the Google quizzes there as well, or the Google form quizzes there as well. So that's my plan. Everything that you will need in terms of studying and work completion, you can find under classwork and organized by chapter. The other thing I wanted to point out was something that we put out for you, and some of you have already gone on and looked at this. But on the junior high classwork homework board, we added a assignment. Even though it's not really an assignment, I had to make it an assignment so everyone would get their own copy. And it's basically just a daily to-do list. You can think of it like your planner, but it's going to include your classwork and homework. And all I really did this for was so that you can stay organized. You can go on your Google Classroom every morning, figure out what assignments you have to get done that day for each of the subjects, and then have a to-do list here in terms of reading sections, copying notes, completing work. So say for instance, for science, if I was going to have you listen to my lecture, you would type listen to 3.4 lecture, complete 3.4 Google Doc questions, and take 3.3 open note quiz. So you would be the one typing this off of the classwork homework boards that we've posted already in Classroom. And then once you have finished a task, you can just select the cell and go up here to this strike through and cross it out. If it's something that you have to carry over, so say you didn't get the Google Doc questions and they're not due till Wednesday, so you're going to carry them over a day, you could just select the cell, hit Command C to copy it, bring it over to the 20th, and then Control V to paste it in. So we made this to-do list for you so that it helps you kind of stay organized and keep track of what work you have to do, what work you've completed, as well as what work you need to carry over to the next day. Do not feel like you have to use it. If you want to use your paper planner, that's up to you, but we just wanted to give you this online option since we are doing all of this online now. All right, so that applies to 7th and 8th as well, even though I showed you a 6th grade classroom, yours will be set up the same way. If you guys have any questions, I'll have my first office hours on Tuesday from 11 to 11:30. I will email out the Zoom invitation, and so you are able to log on and ask me whatever you need to ask me. All right, good luck, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.